we were going from India to Oman, and they made a shortcut to one vessel, which is called Quest. Everybody else in our group, we sailed up toward the coast of Pakistan and did an end run around the pirates, which were in the center of the Indian Ocean. So we wanted to avoid them. Our friends did not. They cut straight across through the pirate area and were captured by Somali pirates.
So you knew.
So then,
you knew they were there. You knew they were there.
Yeah, we had reconnaissance aircraft. Yeah, we knew they were there. So then the incident happened. The pirates executed the 4 Americans on Quest.